Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're talking about how to change the money from USD, what you send from USD to Bitcoin on Cash App. Now we're using an iOS device, so it's different on an Android device. The first thing you need to do is, this is the home page of your Cash App, as you can see on the screen right now. You can see it is in dollars right now. Now this is how it looks when you first open it. Next thing, you're going to see some keypads where you can put in money. Then you see the option for request and pay underneath. This is the part where the money shows. Right now you can see $0. Let's say I want to put in some amount. You can see the keyboard there. Then we have the option for request and pay at the bottom. So let's say I want to put in, let's say about 70 point, let's say $20. Yes, no, 25. Let's use 70.25 cents. So you click on the USD and set the options. You get to select your currency, which is US dollar or Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.